Welcome to my channel Programming with Praveen Khanna. Today we are going to discuss about structures and unions, and we will see what is the difference between structure and union. Here structure is a collection of different type of elements. This is called heterogeneous type of elements. Heterogeneous means different type of elements under a common name of user defined name. Here struct is a keyword, a reserved word or predefined word. It is followed by user defined name. You can give any name for the structure. This is the structure name. Under the common name of the structure, we write these variables are called members or fields. Okay. Next, all these members or fields are enclosed in between left and right curly brace. Here, this is the semicolon. Here we log this data. Here this is the encapsulation or providing security to the data under the common name of sample by the struct. Here left and right curly brace are used to encapsulate the data. If I want to access these members or fields, okay, this is the structure variable. How can we declare a structure variable? With the keyword of struct, structure name, structure variable. With the structure variable, we can access these fields or members. This is the variable, these are the members or fields. A.x is 3. Here, to access these fields, with the period operator, we can access A.x is 3, A.y is 8.2. First one is int, second is float, next is char. A.x is 3, A.y is 8.2. This is the float now. This is the character type. A.ch is p. These are called identifiers or variables. Variables are used to store the information. Here, clear screen. After declaration and initialization of the variables and values, we use the clear screen. This clear screen is defined in the conio.h, console input output header file. Here I am going to print these initialized values. Here printf is the output function, f is a formatted function, x is %d. Here how the values will be displayed? Here a.x value will be displayed in the %d. Here first one x is the integer type. That's why here for the integer type specifier is the d. For the float, second one is the float. So here I have given a.y is the float. Third one a.ch, that is the character type. Ch is equal to %c. Here this \n is the escape sequence character. It is to display the output in the next line. /n is for the new line. Next getch. Here for direct display of the output, we use the getch. After getting a character, output will be displayed directly. This getch is defined in conio.h. Here first we compile the program, next we execute a program. Compilation with alt F9, execution control F9. Then output will be displayed like this: x value, y value, character value. Here all the values will be displayed in different memory locations in the structures. But whereas in the union, all the values will not be displayed in the union. Actually, union is similar to structures only, but a small variation is there in the union. In the structure, we display all the values, but whereas in union, we display only one exact value. Remaining values will be displayed, but only one proper value, proper output. Only last value, recent value will be displayed properly. Remaining output is the false output, fake output, that are the garbage values. They are garbage values. You see here, void main, actual execution for the union, void main. Void means doesn't return any value. Main, here it will look after the entire program. Main is a function. Here the function will start. Union is a keyword. This keyword is followed by the user defined name. You can give any name for the union. Here it is similar to structure. Here these are fields and numbers. Here it is a lock. We closed this union. We encapsulated. We bind the data is binded under the union. Here, this is the declaration of the union. We can write here, instead of writing this, we can write here also this union variable. Next, initialization of the values. If we won't initialize the values, directly we can read the values through the keyboard using scanf. They have to use ampersand in the scanf. Ampersand for storing in the memory at different locations, storing the values in the memory at different locations by the scanf, by the ampersand. Okay. Next, printf. X is %d \n. Why here I am using \n? After x value, cursor goes to the next line. Next to y value, cursor goes to the next line. Here, character. Next, here, you see here, not number, order, type. How many values I am going to display here? X, Y, and character value. 3 values. Not number of the values, and order. First one is the integer, second one is the float, third one is the character. Number, order, and type. These have to be matched. That's why it is called printf. Formatted function, standard function, built-in function, predefined function. This printf is defined in stdio.h, standard input output header file. Next, getch. Why we are writing getch? For direct output display, we write getch. If I won't write getch, first we have to compile, then we have to execute, then we have to get the output. If I won't use getch, first compile, Alt F9, then Control F9, execute, then Alt F5. Without getch, we have to compile, Alt F9. Next, for execution, Control F9. Next, for output, Alt F5. If I won't use this getch, if I use getch, just this is enough. Control F9. Automatically compiled and executed. If I won't use this getch, we have to compile. This is for compile. This is for execution. This is for display output on the screen. Clear screen is used to clear the previous output. So current output will only be displayed on the screen if I use clear screen. After declaration and initialization of the values, we use the clear screen. This clear screen is displayed, is defined in conio.h. Next, getch. After getting a character, output will be displayed directly. But here I am going to display 3 values. These 2 values are garbage values. Undefined values will be displayed. Only last recent value is the only perfect value, perfect output. Okay. Here all these locations will share a single location. All these locations, all these variables will share a single location. Remaining values will be displayed, but undefined values, we didn't give these values. They have given different values. They have given 3, 8.2, but here 9939, 71. These 2 are undefined values will be displayed. Only recent value will be displayed properly. So all the members will share a single location. The aim of these structures and union is protecting the data, providing encapsulation, security of the data, but in structure, all the members will share different locations, whereas in the union, all the members or fields will share a single location. Okay? Only recent value will be displayed properly. Recent value. Remaining values, undefined values. Thank you.